Hi everyone, welcome back. In my previous tutorial, I explained how we can create a Spring Boot application using a Maven project. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain how we can add configuration details into our project. Now, we have two options. One is we can use property file, or other one is YAML. So I'm going to use YAML mainly because it is more readable and more structured than uh, property file. Right, let's see how we can do that. First, we have to create a folder called uh, resources. So inside this resource file, we have to create a file called application.yml. So in this YAML file, we are going to define all the basic or necessary configuration details. First, we are going to define the application name. So I'm going to name this as Spring Demo Application. So here we can define other configuration details like debug true. So we can enable the debug level logs, or we can define the port server port default is 880. We can change that. So likewise, we can add a lot of configuration details into our application. Okay, let's try to run our application, see whether our application will start on port 8081. So we create a jar file. Now we are going to run it. So here you can see a lot of debug information because we enabled debug level logs for our application. That's why we are getting these debug level information. So this is very helpful when we are debugging our application. So as you can see, our application started in port 8081. So this is how we add configuration details into our application using a YAML file. So in the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create a request handler for our application. Thank you. See you guys on next video.